Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to share with you real quick video of Hummer H2. This is year model 2008. Then I have another Hummer which is year model 2006. One of the requests came that Brandon Butler asked that how we can change the rear bump stops. They are very easy to change it. As I see my bump stops, they are really in good shape. And 2006, they are also in good shape. They are right here. Once you lift up the Hummer, you can see it. This is right here. You just grab it and then pull it and it will come out. If you look at right here, once you lift the Hummer up, you just grab it and pull it, and the new one also very easy to put it in. This is the rear bump stop 2008 H2 Hummer. I'll list the part number under my description in case if you need one. That's how simple and easy to change it. So I hope this video will help you out. Thank you for watching my channel. For more Hummer video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. This is the 2006 H2 Hummer. This is how the bump stop looks. Once we're jacking up the Hummer, you don't need to remove the wheel. You just pull this one and take it out, and then you replace with the new one.